Today I'm going to give you a very basic overview of something known as TPS, or Temporary Protected Status. TPS is the type of relief that the U.S. government grants that is humanitarian in nature. What that means is it's often offered to individuals who reside in a specific country or countries because of some particular problem, whether it be a natural disaster like an earthquake, hurricane, a flood, or some type of political strife or civil war. In those instances, the government will declare that it will offer humanitarian relief to certain individuals from that country. So a good example right now is Syria. Syria is in the midst of ongoing civil strife. And so the U.S. government has said, okay, if you're from Syria and you have arrived in the United States between such and such a date, you are pretty much automatically eligible. You don't have to provide much other information to temporarily stay in the United States. And of course, the key is it is temporary. The idea is at some point, the condition in your home country will remedy itself and you'll be able to return. Now, one of the advantages of TPS that you are allowed to receive an employment authorization document or work authorization while this is ongoing. Now, the downside is the government could theoretically revoke it or not renew it at just about any point in time as well. So TPS is really, it's a fantastic thing the government does, but it's limited to only a certain specific list of countries. So to see that list of countries, you can go to USCIS's website on TPS, and it will list all of the different countries that are eligible for that type of relief. And if you are eligible for that type of relief because you're from the country and you've met the other couple of requirements in terms of your arrival time into the United States and when you actually applied, then TPS is certainly something that you should seek. If you found this video useful, or if you have any topics that you'd like to see me discuss, please leave a note in the comments so that I know I'll be happy to address them in the future. And of course, you can always follow me on Twitter, which is @EmmyLaw, WDE, which you should see in the bottom of your screen. And you can also go to my blog, which is found at spencerlarche.wordpress.com/blog.